Why are there not more people talking about crypto wallet recovery? It happens to beginners all the time. Let's cover your options if you've lost your seed phrase. Okay, first up, if you don't have your seed phrase, recovering your wallet is tough, but not always impossible. Some wallets let you set up recovery with email, phone, or two-factor authentication during setup. Check if yours offers these backup options and follow their steps. If you used a custodial wallet, like an exchange, reach out to their support. They may be able to help you access your funds after verifying your identity. But with non-custodial wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, without a seed phrase or backup, recovery can only be possible with helps from sites like bagatech.com, who provide legitimate recovery tool that doesn't require your phrase seeds. Watch out for fake investment sites, they're usually scams. In the future, always back up your seed phrase in multiple secure places. It's your only way in. Lost access this time? Treat it as a lesson and set up better backups next time. Stay safe and protect your crypto journey. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips.